In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Workdrive to WordPress. This is a simple way to display a Zoho Workdrive file or folder directly on your WordPress site, so visitors can view it right on the page without needing to download anything first. First, head into Zoho Workdrive and locate the exact file or folder you want to display on your website. Take a moment to confirm you have selected the correct item, especially if you have similar names or multiple versions. When you are ready, right-click that file or folder to open the Options menu. From that menu, choose Share, and then select New Embed Code. This is the option that generates the code WordPress needs in order to show a preview on your site. Once the embed setup opens, you will see customization settings for the preview. Adjust the size so it fits well in the section of your page where it will appear. If the embed is too wide or too tall, it can look crowded or force extra scrolling. You can also choose a theme or other display options, depending on what Zoho Workdrive provides in that panel. The goal is to make the embedded preview clear and easy to read. After you are satisfied with the preview settings, click Copy Code. This places the embed code on your clipboard. Keep this code exactly as it is, since even small changes can prevent it from working. Now switch over to WordPress. Open the page or post where you want the Workdrive content to appear. Make sure you are editing in the correct location so the embed shows up in the right spot on the page. In the editor, add a custom HTML block. This is important because the embed code is HTML, and it needs a block that accepts raw code. Click into the custom HTML block and paste the embed code you copied from Zoho Workdrive. Before you finish, you can use the preview option in WordPress to confirm the embed looks correct on the page. When everything looks good, publish your page or post to make the embedded file or folder live for your visitors. That covers everything you need to know.